I'm Tilly from SINOMADA. Today, I'm very honored to come to the SUNWARD factory. SUNWARD's business involves a full range of excavators, high-altitude machinery, lifting machinery, and other more than 10 fields. It's the world's top 50 construction machinery enterprise.
And today, I will introduce the excavator XWE225E. Let's go and have a look. The XWE225E weighs 22 tons. It has a large capacity tank of 370 liters and a bucket capacity of 1.1 cubic meters. Professional crushing circuit system is used for more reliable crushing operation, and the larger crushing hammer could be installed. Reinforced crushing support is used, which is stable and reliable. Its heavy-duty boom and deeper arm are highly reliable. They can withstand the rigors of constant use, whether digging deep into the ground or moving large quantities of soil and debris. The large-size, heavy-duty four-wheel and one-belt configuration, along with a fuel-chain guide track mechanism, is ideal for tough mining operations. They offer excellent traction and stability, allowing the XWE225E to move around effortlessly on uneven terrains.
The XWE225E is powered by CUMMINS engine with a power of 124 kilowatts and features high power and low fuel consumption.
This engine is not only high-powered but also extremely reliable. With its strong performance, it can easily handle the demands of heavy-duty operations, whether it's in a large-scale construction project or tough mining sites. Well, that's our brief introduction to the XWE225E. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.